guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are doing a Girl Scout cookie taste testing video. I am so excited to do this video because who doesn't love Girl Scout cookies? Am I right? Especially the Thin Mints and the Samoas, which I also have in this set. So let's go ahead and get started to this taste testing. I actually don't know where to start. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys which cookies I got first. This one is called Girl Scout S'mores. These are new this season and it costs $6 compared to the traditional $4 that are the traditional boxes. So this is s'mores and I'm gonna put this right here. And everybody know the Thin Mints, which I already opened this one. Sorry guys, I couldn't wait. I was really excited. Everybody knows what these Thin Mints taste like. These are $4 a box. Right here we have Samoas, also $4. Super Nami. And here we have trefoils, also $4. Here we have Toffee-tastic. This is a gluten-free cookie. This one actually cost $6, so this one and the s'mores were the most expensive out of all these cookies. Here we have Savannah Smiles, which I've already opened and took some. Don't mind me. This is also $4. We also have Tagalongs. This is also $4 a box. And these are Doozy Doos, also $4 a box. Now, these were all the flavors that the Girl Scouts had to offer me at their stand, and I'm quite sure they were really excited for me to actually buy all of these cookies. So I actually don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna go with the two I'm gonna show you guys the two that I've already had. These are the two that I've already had, and I've had Samoas. All of the rest I have not tried. Oh, trefoils I've already tried. And the others I haven't. And the reason why I've already tried this year is because I went the other day and I was like, can I just get 3 of these? And they're like, yeah. And then I thought about it this morning, and I was like, why don't I just do a video taste testing all of the Girl Scout cookies? Why not, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put these aside and I'll taste test that for you guys in a little bit. Let's go ahead and try these. So I'm gonna try the Samoas first, which I've already had before in the past, maybe like 2 years ago. And I didn't like the coconut flakes as much because I didn't feel like it tasted like a fresh coconut, I guess. It tasted super artificial, but I don't know, maybe they changed ingredient and maybe it's a little bit better now. So let's go ahead and try these. Samoas are crisp cookies coated in caramel, sprinkled with toasted coconut, and stripped with dark chocolatey coating. Bam. Okay, so let's try this one first. Have you guys tried the what are those? What is that? Kebler's cookies, imitations of Samoas? I thought they were pretty good. Okay. This is what it looks like. This smells really good, actually. It smells fresh. Alright. You know, this is good, but I still feel like it doesn't taste, like the chocolate doesn't taste super chocolatey. Chocolate should melt in your mouth as soon as it hits your tongue. And this one, it takes a little time to melt. So I rate these a 7 out of 10. I haven't changed my mind since last time. I probably gave it a 7 too. Next, I want to try the Doozy Doos. This is a crunchy oatmeal sandwich cookie with creamy peanut butter filling. All right. Smells nice. Ooh, these remind me of Nutter Butters. I do enjoy Nutter Butters. It smells good. It smells fresh. Okay. Wow. These are really good. They're super buttery and the cookie is super crispy. I give these a 9 out of 10. And the filling is super smooth. Tastes super buttery, super smooth. Cookies are super crispy. It's almost like a shortbread cookie. That's how buttery it tastes. I'm making a mess. And it's not insanely sweet either. My favorite so far. So the next one I'm going to try is called the Tagalongs. They are crispy cookies layered with peanut butter and covered with chocolatey coating. Their chocolate, I'm not impressed so far. Because it just doesn't melt in your mouth. And I feel like chocolate should just disintegrate the moment it hits your tongue. What's this? Smell like some Reese's cups. Ta-da. Ready? Again, the cookie tastes good. The peanut butter is good. The chocolate still tastes fake. Crispy though. I'm not down for this chocolate. I give these a 7 out of 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the trefoil for you guys so you guys can see me try this. This is a traditional shortbread cookie. Now, the shortbread looks like. These are pretty buttery. I like these. You guys know that one brand with the red box? I can't remember the name, but those shortbreads are the best shortbread cookies of all time. Maybe I can look it up for you guys. These by far are the best shortbread cookies. Walkers. They're super buttery. I give these an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for shortbread cookies. Okay. Now these are Savannah Smiles. They are crisp, zesty lemon wedge cookies dusted with powdered sugar. And I already took a couple of these, but I'm going to try it for you guys on here. This is what they look like. Little wedges. Not my favorite, but still pretty good. I give these an 8 out of 10. Hope I don't have powdered sugar on my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the Thin Mints in front of you guys. I really do like these. Although I don't feel like it's as chocolatey as it should be. Same goes with the other chocolate, but the mint smell and the mint in these are really good. Ta-da! Thin Mints. Super thin, super minty. This is like a very light, airy cookie. I wonder if Oreos make a thin mint flavor. Cause I think that would be bomb. Oreo cookies to me are like the best cookies of all time. They just taste super chocolatey and it's just like we're so rich. So I feel like if they put a little mint, I know they make the ones with the mint cream in it, but alright, so the next one I'm super excited to try because it's a very interesting flavor and it's also gluten-free. This one is Toffee-tastic, gluten-free, rich buttery cookies with sweet crunchy toffee bits. Toffee bits. Who thought about putting toffee bits in cookies, right? Girl Scouts. Right? Oh, it's just one big roll. Okay. These are massive compared to the other cookies. Gee. Super flaky. Smells buttery. You see the little bits in there. They're tiny. Little toffee bits are tiny. The texture at the end tastes kind of weird. It's like, there's like a really grainy taste, aftertaste. The toffee doesn't really taste like toffee. It's just like sticking to my teeth. But it doesn't really taste like toffee. I'll give these a 6 out of 10. They're not that good. They taste like cardboard almost. But it smells so buttery. I'm just gonna put these back. Okay. Last one. These are s'mores. Crunchy graham cracker sandwich cookies with creamy chocolate and marshmallowy filling. Is it really gonna be marshmallowy? Because if it ain't, I don't really want it. Ooh. Instant, like, woof of. Smells really sweet, like vanilla. So these are all the cookies. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. It says Girl Scouts. And then you can see the layer of s'mores and chocolate. Bam. Smells good already. Smells promising. Smells like I just didn't waste $6 on this box, hopefully. I just wasted $6 on this box. Okay. This doesn't taste good. It's just sugar. It just tastes like sugar. The filling tastes like it's super artificial. Well, of course I know it's artificial, but dang, man, I got ripped off. It tastes like marshmallow fluff, but worse, and artificial chocolate. I took an L for that one. The cookie doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't even taste like graham crackers. I'll give these a 6 out of 10. Also my least favorite. I'm so sad. What am I gonna do with all these cookies? Okay, so my favorite, definitely the peanut butter Girl Scouts Doozy Doos. And then second favorite, everybody already knows, Thin Mints. These are bomb. I'm gonna have another one. As you can see, I've already eaten half of this. These are the winners. These are the losers. Alright guys, I'm all sugared out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.